Hey everybody, hope y'all are well. Hey, so I just want to make this quick video. I was talking to a friend of mine who was a patron here and recently left. Um, and there was kind of a misunderstanding about, I think, what I am assuming is a clear policy. So as you probably have noticed, the videos that I post, these private videos, I post them on YouTube as an unlisted video, and then I share the link within Patreon so that when you log into Patreon, if you're a subscriber, you get access to the video that way. Now, it's possible to follow that link to YouTube and then save that link on a playlist so that you can watch the video outside of Patreon. And in fact, anybody who is a patron could do that now. And what that means is you can join Patreon, log on to all the videos, get the links, put them in a playlist, unsubscribe from Patreon, and still have access to all, I think, 267 mbira lessons. Now, this person I was talking to was, I'm not at all saying anything negative. It was a misunderstanding. He thought that that was an okay thing. And let me be clear, he's actually been a patron for a long time. So he did not actually just join and do that and then quit. He quit and made a comment to me that, he's quit and he plans on working his way through all the 267 videos, and then we'll join back up once he's done that. And so I just want to be really clear here that it is my intention that you only have access to the paid Patreon content when you are a patron. If you cancel your Patreon subscription, it's not okay with me for you to go back onto YouTube and find the past videos and continue to work on them. If you're not currently supporting me or the Patreon, then you should not have current access to those videos. Most people, what they do, well, I'm not going to say most people, a successful video Patreon business, what they would do is they would have a private video server like Vimeo or some other servers, but those cost a lot of money. In order for me to be able to host all of these videos would cost anywhere from $150 to $200 a month for me to just have those videos in a way that's private, that does not give you sort of a backdoor access to the videos. And I just can't afford that. So that's why I put them like this. So I have never mentioned this, so I hold no ill will to anyone who has thought that sort of thing is okay. So that's why I want to be really clear right now that it is 100% not my intention for people to save these videos onto playlists and then be able to access them when they are no longer members. In my ideal world, you will log on to Patreon and watch the videos from within the Patreon platform. That's much better on the front end, because then you can make comments and all that directly on the Patreon page, and then other patrons can see it and all that, and we can build community within the mbira Patreon community, as opposed to exporting it to YouTube. Thanks for listening. I hope that makes sense. If anybody has any questions, feel free to post them here, or you could email me if you have any questions. If you happen to know any friends that are doing this currently, if you could please let them know, because I'm guessing most of the people that would be doing this are probably no longer patrons. so maybe you have a friend that used to be a patron that is still currently using these videos. Now, I have several freely available public videos on Patreon, and those are publicly available whether or not you are a paying member. Okay, love you guys. Thank you for your support. It truly is the only thing that keeps us going. Okay, bye.